Let's join together today to create a fabulous tomorrow. With this thought, I, Elizabeth, from Lovely Public School, welcome you all. Before we start today's topic, let us see few examples. This is my hand and here comes another hand. Now if I bring them closer, they join together. Any guesses which topic we are going to discuss about today? Now let's take one more example. Like suppose if you have to join two things. So you use either a Fevicol or maybe a Fevistick. We use a Fevicol or maybe a Fevistick to fix two things. In the same way, in English grammar, we have a sort of a thing like a glue or maybe a Fevicol to join two words or two sentences. Yes, now you guessed it clearly. We are going to talk about and learn about conjunctions. Now let's see few examples. John is playing football, full stop. Sam is playing football. Now these are two different sentences. Now if we want to convert these two different sentences into one sentence, we are going to use the word and, A-N-D, and. So how will it go? Like, and this is the way that the sentence will look like. John and Sam are playing football, full stop. Now let's come to another example. Mohan sells vegetables, full stop. Mohan sells fruits, full stop. Now again, we are going to use the word and to join these two different sentences. Like, Mohan sells vegetables and fruits, full stop. The word and is a conjunction. So let's see what are conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words which join two sentences or two words. Few examples of conjunctions are and, because, or, so, while, although. These are examples of conjunctions. In English grammar, we call conjunctions as joining words because they help to join two sentences or two words. Now let's see where to use what. We are going to take few common conjunctions and see their usage, that how do they help the sentence. First, we are going to discuss about and. And is the most common conjunctions that we use. And is used to join or to link two sentences or words which are equal in rank. For example, Sarah is cooking, full stop, Jane is cooking, full stop. Now here we are going to use the conjunction and to join these two sentences like Sarah is cooking, full stop, Jane is cooking. So let's see. Sarah and Jane are cooking. Now let's come to the next conjunction, but. We use but to join two different contrasting ideas. Like, he is tall, full stop, his friend is short. Here we are comparing the height, like one is tall and the other is short. So we are going to use but, because we use but to join two contrasting or two different ideas or notion. Like, he is tall but his friend is short. Now let's move ahead. Because and as. Because and as is used to join or to give reason when we want a reason. Like, Sammy cannot walk, full stop. He is very weak. Now here comes the question that why Sammy cannot walk. Sammy cannot walk because he is very weak. Or instead of the word because, we can also use as. Sammy cannot walk as he is very weak. Now let's see or. Now when we use or is used when we want to give a choice, when we want to give an introduction. Like, give me a pen, full stop, give me a pencil. Now there is an option, there is a choice of a pen or a pencil. So you are going to use the word or. Like, give me a pen or a pencil. Or you may also say, Do you want coffee? Full stop. Do you want tea? Now you can join it with a word or. Like, do you want coffee or tea? Now there is an option between coffee and tea. Now let's see the usage of though and although. Though and although is used to introduce or when there are two contrasting ideas. Like, Harry is poor, full stop. He is very honest. We can write it or we can say it like this. Though Harry is poor, comma, he is very honest. Or you may say it like this. Although Harry is poor, comma, he is very honest, full stop. While and when. We use the conjunction while and when we want to connect an action to a point of time. Let's see an example. They were laughing while I was studying hard. So you are using the word while. Now let's see when, an example of when. We like to play, full stop, it snows. We like to play when it snows. Now let's recapitulate what we have learned today. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words which help us to join two words or two sentences. In English grammar, we call conjunctions as joining words. Few examples of conjunctions are and, because, while, so, or. Now, before we conclude the class, always remember that together and joining hands and moving forward will lead us to success and happiness. Till we meet again, always be happy and positive. Bye-bye. Thank you.